Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Exercise Mitra Shakti 11-2025. This topic relates to international relations section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The 11th edition of the Joint Military Exercise Mitra Shakti 2025 began on 10th November 2025 in Belagavi, Karnataka. The exercise is a significant step in enhancing the defense cooperation between India and Sri Lanka. Both countries' armed forces are engaging in counter-terrorism operations, joint drills, and sharing of best practices to strengthen bilateral relations. Now let's discuss about Mitra Shakti. It is a series of annual joint military training exercises between the Indian Army and the Sri Lankan Army. It aims to enhance bilateral defense cooperation and foster better understanding between the two armies. The Indian contingent, consisting of 170 personnel, is primarily represented by troops from the Rajput Regiment. On the Sri Lankan side, 135 personnel are mainly from the Gajabar Regiment. Now let's discuss about its significance. It enhances defense cooperation between India and Sri Lanka, improving interoperability during peacekeeping operations. Troops from both nations will jointly rehearse tactical operations like raid, search and destroy missions and heliborne operations, along with drills involving drones and unmanned aerial systems. The exercise is aligned with the United Nations peacekeeping mandate, focusing on ensuring that both sides are prepared for joint peacekeeping operations, disaster management, and casualty evacuation. Now it's time to do a practice question. Which foreign country's army is participating alongside India in Exercise Mitra Shakti 2025? A. Bangladesh. B. Nepal. C. Sri Lanka. D. Singapore. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.